Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you my skincare routine. So first let me introduce you to my skin. So my skin is oily and acne prone skin. Because of acne I get a lot of open pores. So now my open pores are very much reduced. So because of this skincare routine my skin has become more brighter, more clear, and it has also reduced my open pores. So without any wasting time, let's jump into the video. So before moving on, let me tell you one thing. Skincare routines take time. It takes 3 to 4 weeks at least to change your skin. So be patient with the skincare routines. It will definitely give you results. So first thing I'm using is this oily skin cleanser. It's for oily acne prone skin. So I have put some water on my face. So next thing I'm using this cleanser. I'm taking a little quantity. As you can see, it has a transparent consistency. Massage your cleanser for at least 2 minutes to give you results. Massage in upward motion. Always tap on your face to make your face dry. So as you can see, my skin is now cleansed. My skin feels so soft. So moving on to a toner. For a toner I'm using this one. It's from Aroma Magic. It's for oily skin and it says it tightens pores and revives skins. I didn't see any results after using this, so it's like use karo ya na karo, same ही results hai. So just for my satisfaction I use this. So first let me shake it and then I'm using this cotton pad. Just smoothly rub on your face. So I'm done with my toner. For cotton pad I have used this cotton pads. It's a set of 800 cotton pads. I will leave the link below. So for serum I'm using this green tea serum from Innisfree. We have to take just small amount. This much, 1 drop is enough. So this is not just a serum, trust me, it's a miracle. I used to change my skincare routine every 2 to 3 months. Nothing used to work on my skin, on my open pores, but this has changed my skincare routine. My open pores are much reduced now and my acne are reduced, and I'm now in love with the products of Innisfree, especially the green tea range. So this is moisturizer from Innisfree, which is also called as balancing lotion. It's great for combination and oily skin type. It has a water-like consistency and it absorbs into the skin within seconds. As you can see, it gives a natural glow from within. It says that it has 100% green tea extracts, which is great for acne. It also reduces your acne scars and open pores. This is a sunscreen from Neutrogena and it has SPF 50 plus. Always make sure your sunscreen has SPF of 30 or more than that. If more than that, it will be great, as the weather in Mumbai is usually sunny, and never forget your sunscreen while you move out of your house. This sunscreen makes your skin little bit dry, so it's great for combination and oily skin type. This is a lip balm from Vaseline. It's in flavor rose and it has a little bit pink shade in it. So I'm done with my skincare routine of the day. I will see you guys in the night for further skincare routine. I'm back and I'm done with my day. So it's 11 o'clock in the night and I have done my cleansing and toning. So moving to the next thing. So first thing in the night, I'm using this spot treatment from Innisfree after toner. I will take just a little bit. So this works on your active acne and reduces acne scars. And next thing I'm using is this Innisfree serum, which I have used in the morning. Again I'm using this. I'm just taking one pump over here. So next thing I'm using is this sleeping mask from Innisfree. Actually it's a moisturizer. This moisturizer helps you to make your skin brighter and glowy, and also hydrates your skin so well and absorbs into your skin within seconds and give you a matte like texture. So next thing, I'm using a lip balm from Himalaya. Actually, I have transferred it in a container, as you can see. So next thing I'm using is this oil which I have made at home for my lashes. What all things I have put in this oil will be somewhere here. Dipping a earbud into the oil and just applying little bit. And this quantity will last up to 2 to 3 months easily. So that's it for my skincare video. Hope you guys find it helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. That will mean absolutely world to me. See you guys in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.